Welcome to Math with Mr. B. To read large whole numbers can sometimes become challenging if you don't understand the concepts. So in this video, we are going to be looking at the concept whereby you'll be able to read any large whole numbers you come across. So before that, let's take it from there. So a million is what? 1 with 6 zeros. That is a figure. You are going to have 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 with 6 zeros. That is a million. Now for billion, a billion is 1 with 9 zeros. And in figure, we are going to write what? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is what? A billion. Then for a trillion is 1 with 12 zeros. So in figure, you are going to have 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is 1 trillion. Now, to be able to read large whole numbers easily, you need to understand the concept of place value. Place value. So a place value tells the position of a digit in a given number, or tells the value of that digit in the given number. That is what a place value is. Now, to read that, we are going to analyze that now. So if you have single digit, that is units, followed by tens, that is double digits. If you have 3 digits number, that is 100 tens and units. So after the hundreds, we move on to thousand. So thousand. Then we also have 10 of thousand. We also have 100 of thousand. Then after that, we have million. Then 10 of million. We have 100 of million. Then after million, we move on to billion. So we have billion, then 10 of billion. We also have 100 of billion. Then after billion, we move on to trillion. So we are going to have, let me put it like this, trillion. So we have 10 of trillion. We also have 100 of trillion. So can you see now? So for us, we can read number in trillions, can read number in billions, you can read number in millions. So in that order. So if you understand large whole numbers, it is very easy to read or write large whole numbers. Let's look at these numbers to demonstrate in a practical terms how to use the concept of place value to read or write large whole numbers. So if you look at this number we are given, so this is a very large whole number. These are very large whole numbers. So we can create a space in between them by putting comma to separate them. So we start from the right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Like that. So if you look at this, so if you follow that place value, the sequence of the place value, so this will be the what? Units. This is tens, this is 100, and this is thousand. Then we have 10 of thousand, you have 100 of thousand. Then after thousand, we move on to million. So we have million, we have 10 of million, we also have 100 of million. Then after million is billion. So can you see now, if you really understand the concept of place value, it's very easy for you to read or write large whole numbers. So this is going to read 7 billion 303,4,902. Can you see now? So the same thing. So if you look at this, look at the digits after it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is in billion. In billion. So if you want to read it, you say what? 65 billion 473,218,239. So that is how to read large whole numbers. I hope you got this. Like, share, and follow for more. See you in the next video.